Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to dessert heaven with six, yes, six, creamy fried treats that'll make your taste buds dance. So grab your apron and let's get frying. First up, we have fried ice cream. I know, sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's all about the crispy shell and the creamy center. Start with a scoop of your favorite ice cream, freeze it rock hard, coat it in 1 cup of crushed cornflakes and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then fry it for just a few seconds. Boom! Dessert magic. Next, we're diving into the world of fried cheesecake. This one's for all the cheesecake lovers out there. Slice your cheesecake into bite-sized pieces, freeze them, dip in a batter made of 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, and 1 egg, and fry until golden. The result? A crunchy outside with a luscious, creamy inside. You're welcome. Third on our list is fried custard. Sounds fancy, huh? It's actually super simple. Make a thick custard using 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 4 egg yolks. Chill it. Cut into squares, coat in 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and fry. You get a crispy exterior with that melt-in-your-mouth custard. Trust me, you'll be hooked. All right, let's talk about fried Oreos. If you haven't tried these yet, you're missing out. Dip your Oreos in a batter made of 1 cup of pancake mix and 3/4 cup of water and fry till golden brown. They turn into little pockets of deep fried joy with a creamy center. Perfect for any cheat day. Moving on, we have fried bananas with caramel sauce. Slice your bananas, coat them in a mixture of 1/2 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of sugar and fry them up. Drizzle with some homemade caramel sauce made from 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and you've got a dessert that's both creamy and crunchy. Plus, it's fruit, so it's basically healthy, right? Last but certainly not least, we've got fried ice cream sandwiches. Take your ice cream sandwiches, coat them in a mixture of 1 cup of crushed cookies and 1/2 cup of flour, and fry quickly. The result is an ooey gooey delight that's crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. Absolutely drool-worthy. So there you have it, 6 creamy fried desserts that'll take you straight to dessert heaven. Try them out and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Thanks for watching and happy frying. Catch you next time.